All right, so we just finished delivering two great restaurants. So then now this is what happened next. We need to pay furniture store for invoice number 69 for the counter and shelves, as well as invoice number 71 for the desk set. Write one check. So we're going to write one check to pay two bills. Okay? Yes. So how are we going to do this?
Do you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So I need to pay furniture store for invoice number 69 and number 71, all on one check. So how do I journalize this transaction?
Payable.
Accounts payable. Okay, good. What else?
Account receivable.
No, not accounts receivable, because accounts receivable is when customers owe me money. I'm paying somebody right now. And it says here, I'm going to write a check to pay them off. So where's that coming out from? If I need to cut a check, how much or where is it coming out from?
Checking.
It's going to come out from checking. Good. Right? Now, in this case, right, how much do I owe furniture store for invoice number 69 and 71?
How much we receive?
How much do I owe?
Uh, do I owe 173.75 with 201.25.
I'm not ordering right now. Right now I'm paying furniture store for invoice number 69 and invoice number 71.
So okay. Is 556. No.
The answer is not going to be on the scenario because you have to look it up. How do you know how much money you owe if you're paying a bill? Where do you keep a record of all the bills that you owe?
Customer expenses.
Not customer.
Ledger.
Which one?
Journal.
Not journal. Where is the list of the bills that you owe?
How do I say it? I don't know how do I say it. Ledger. How do we say it?
Subledger.
Yeah. Self ledger.
Yeah, SUB, sub ledger.
Sub ledger.
Okay? So in this case, we need to go to our vendor section, right? Because we are making a payment to furniture store. Okay, here you go, furniture store. Invoice number 69. How much do I owe on that one?
69 1000 1770 one 1770 30 cents.
Okay. What about invoice number 71? How much do I owe on that?
71 it's 658.37.
Okay, so in this case, I need to combine these two because I am making a payment. Okay?
So we add 1000 with 600
Yes.
770 30 with 658.37. We got 2,428.67 cents.
Okay, good. So 2428.67 is what I owe. And I'm going to make a payment. 2428.67. $2428.67. Okay? That is how much I owe. Now, what's next? I have to cut a check, don't I? I have to
Yes.
make a payment, right? So in this case, I need to go to my check register. And here it is. Today's still the 22nd. And I just made a payment for $2428.67 to who?
We make the check to a vendor.
Who's the vendor? Who am I paying?
We pay for the purchase order.
We're not paying for the purchase order. Who are we paying?
Future store.
Furniture store.
Furniture store.
Okay? Why? Why am I paying furniture store?
Because we purchase from them.
Yes, but why am I paying them now? Why? What am I doing? Why did I write this check? You need a reason why you wrote this check. What am I paying for? We're paying for counter, shelves, and desk. Okay, for check number 1522. Okay, so we have all the information we need. We wrote a check out to furniture store. Okay, we paid for invoice number 69 and 71. Okay, and we use a check number 1522. Okay, so let's go ahead and update my ledger because in this case, I just spent money. Okay, starting with accounts payable. right? We made a payment, so we reduce our liabilities by 2428.67. Okay? So how much do I owe now if I reduced or paid off $2,428.67?
We minus the 2,000 from the 16, correct?
You tell me, yes or no.
Yeah.
Okay, then go ahead and do it.
744.95 minus 2,428.67. We got 316.28 cents.
Good. So then we need to update our checking account because we just wrote a check. Okay? We wrote check number 1522 for the total amount of $2,428.67. So in this case, how much money should I now have left in my checking account?
We have left in our checking account two okay. We minus the 2,800 and we minus 2,042 from 2,897.
No. We're not on that number.
15. 2,835.15 and we minus from them the 2,042.8, correct?
Yes.
Okay, 2,835.15 minus 2 and 428.67. We got 206.48 cents.
406.48. Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. And now I need to update my subsidiary ledger because I made a payment. Okay. So here we are. So in this case, no discounts were given. Okay. So let's see. Today is the 22nd. Okay. What did we do? Payment with check number 1522. All right, for invoice number 69 and 71, General Journal 11, right? We made a payment, so there's no terms there, okay? And we made a payment for $2,428.67. So now I only owe Furniture Store $6,605.08 for the bistro tables and chairs, okay? Good. Okay. Now, in this case, let's see, we're done with this transaction. So now we need to backtrack because the last transaction we did, right, we delivered to Great Restaurant, right? We forgot to distribute the commissions for Albert, okay? So let's see. We got to go to the sales orders first because we have to verify that we did we did deliver the order right here, right, to Great Restaurant. Okay? when did I deliver this? I delivered this on the 22nd. And it was invoice number 104 for $556.05. So I need to give him his commission. So it was the 22nd to Great Restaurant. Okay. For invoice number 104. So what is 40% of $556.05? Right? That was the bill, right? 556.05. So what is 40% of that?
It's 278. No, it's 556.5. And we do it by 0.5, correct? 0.4.
No. 0.4. Not 4%. This is 4D%. 40.
So it's gonna be 556.05 by 0.40, correct?
Yes.
0.40. We got 220.42.
Okay. Good. So in this case, right, we add this together. We owe Albert $560.66, right? We just added those two numbers together. So that means as of the 22nd, I owe $560.66 to Albert. Okay. So let's see what is next. Okay, so we finished the commissions, okay, for Albert. So let's see now, let's go ahead and continue. We got 2 purchase orders. Okay, so we gotta put in our purchase orders. We ordered from Atlas Coffee and we ordered from All Things Ceramics. So let's plug it into our purchase orders. Okay. Starting with purchase order number 1211. Or sorry, 311 170 311. Okay, today's the 22nd, right? Who did we order from? Atlas Coffee. What did we buy? We bought regular and supreme coffee, 125 pounds. Okay, but this time my cost per item for my regular coffee is $1.39, while my supreme coffee is $1.61. So it's gonna cost me $173.75, and my supreme coffee is gonna cost me $201.25. Okay, giving me a grand total of $375. Okay. And then we also need to add in our second purchase order here for All Things Ceramics. Okay, so All Things Ceramics. What did we buy? We purchased ceramic coffee mugs. Okay, how many did we buy? This time we bought 80. And it's gonna cost me, let's see, $2.48 each. Okay, so that's going to give me a total of $198.40. Okay, there you go. There, we added in our purchase orders. Okay. So let's see what's next here, right? Albert submits an order to Katie's Coffee Corner. So Albert submits an order for Katie. So what do we have to do with this one now? This is not a purchase order. What is this? Right? Katie is our customer and we are ordering for Katie to be delivered on June 24th. So in this case, this is a sales order, right? So go to your subsidiary ledger and plug into her subsidiary ledger for this one. Okay. We are doing this for Katie's Coffee Corner. Okay. She bought pretty much. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. This is purchase order number or sales order number 106. Okay. So let me see. Date is the 22nd. Sales order number 106. Okay, customer Katie. Okay. And let's see, what did she order from us? She ordered 20 pounds of the regular coffee, 15 pounds of the supreme coffee, and 22 coffee cups. So she's 20, 15, and 22. So therefore, okay, she owes me a grand total of $265.43. Okay, $265.43. Right? Then next we went to restaurant supplies, okay, and we end up purchasing more coffee cups, okay, and we used our business credit card to pay for this. So how do I journalize this transaction? How do I journalize that I bought some coffee cups? How do I journalize this? What did I buy? What did I buy from restaurant supplies? Anybody? It looks like I bought medium coffee cups and large coffee cups. So in this case, I've already done this transaction before because we buy from restaurant supplies all the time in order for us to sell our coffee. So in this case, I bought 2,000 medium coffee cups and 2,000 large coffee cups for 5 cents each, giving us a total of $100, and then 7.5 cents each for the large cups, giving us 150. Okay, we have tax to be $20.63. So in grand total, I charge on my credit card $270.63. So in this case, when we take a look at this exact transaction, we already did this before exactly. It's identical. So in this case, I'm actually going to copy the entire thing. Okay? Because all the calculations are already distributed, right? I already distributed the sales tax to the medium coffee cups and the large coffee cups. Okay? So in this case right here, I'm going to drop it in here. And today's the 22nd. There you go. All my numbers are there. All I have to do is enter in my sales receipt number. Okay? So sales receipt number is 006013. Okay, for 4,000 cups. Okay, so of course we need to go to our ledger to update our accounts. Okay, because now I owe more money on my credit card. So starting with our business supplies. Okay. For my medium regular coffee, for my medium coffee cups, okay, I purchased 2,000 of them, okay, plus tax. Okay, we're on General Journal 11 here, and it's going to be the same amount, 108.25. So this time, what's my ending balance here, right? Because I increased it by another $108.25. So I'm at 270.62. Okay. I also need to update my large coffees because I also purchased 2,000 of them plus my tax. Okay. For the same amount of 162.38. Okay. So therefore, that should increase it to this 405.95. Okay. Last but not least, I need to go ahead and update my Visa payable because I charged my credit card once again. It is 6/22. We charge my credit card to purchase 4,000 coffee cups. Okay, for a total of $207.63. So therefore, I racked up a total of $1440.25 on my credit card. Okay. And in case I need to make a refund or a return to restaurant supplies, okay, I am going to record that I purchased this from restaurant supplies. Here they are. Okay, restaurant supplies. Today is the 22nd. And this is what happened. I end up purchasing 2,000 medium cups plus tax to give you 108.25. And I purchased 2,000 large cups plus tax to give you $162.38, and I paid with my Visa credit card, and my receipt number is 006013. Okay. General Journal, page 11. Okay, we paid at time of the store, right? We went to the store and paid for it for $270.63, and we paid with our credit card, so we owe restaurant supplies nothing. Okay. Let's see. All right, so last transaction we have for Saturday is going to be the grand opening sales. Okay, so in this case, we need to, let's see, this right here, okay, let's see, checking sales, is definitely not enough space to journalize this transaction, okay? Rule of thumb is we should keep our transactions together, okay? We never want to just go ahead and write the journal and then cut the transaction in half, because again, it's going to be hard to read, okay, especially when you have to keep flipping the pages to look at this transaction here. But in this case, I don't want to split my transaction into two pages, right? I want to keep it all uniform and all on one page so I can view it with ease, okay? So in this case, this is a lot of space. So to ensure that no one is going to go into this and add something in there, I'm going to go ahead and insert I'm going to insert a line here, okay? And I'm going to start from the top corner of the date and drag it all the way to the bottom of the credit. And since that line, you can't really see it, I'm going to draw it thicker, okay? And there you go, okay? So for any reason you need to protect the sheet, right? You're going to highlight the sheet and then format it to protect it. So that means if someone is trying to go into this, they won't be able to type anything into it, okay? Or you can send a file that's read only. No editing is allowed. Okay, so then that stays like that. Or when you print it out, there's no possible way that someone can write something in there. Okay, so that means I'm going to be in my next page, page 12 here. Okay, and today is the 22nd, and I'm going to copy a previous transaction, which is right here, right? Because we still have our grand opening sales, so we're going to be receiving a check, a sales discount, and mine as well. Also, we're going to be updating our inventory as well. Okay, so now that I have that exact transaction, all I have to do is copy and paste. Okay, only difference is it's the numbers that we're plugging in. So in this case, how much cash did I receive from this sales? Okay, looks like I received $1,878.75. How much was my discount? I discounted for $433.89. Looks like my business is picking up. Yes, because it's a weekend. A lot more people are more likely to go and visit a coffee shop over the weekend, right? So then there you go. I gave my discount to rack up to be a total of $433.89. My sales for the medium regular coffee was $469.64. My large regular coffee was $535.21. My medium supreme coffee sold for $567.72. My large supreme didn't do as well, right? But we end up selling $526.99. and I sold a total of 10 mugs for $69.90, and we collected $143.18 worth of tax. So, rule of thumb here, to ensure that we didn't make any typos here, I'm going to run my formula to see if my total debits of $2,312.64 debit matches my credit of $2,312.64. So in this case, they match. Okay? Excellent. So now that I have this, right, we now need to, first rule of thumb here is, let's make my deposit first, okay? So it ends up in my checking account. So go to deposits, right? Another in-store sales for $1,878.75. Today is the 22nd. This is deposit number 7. And that's exactly what we're going to deposit. We're going to deposit that $1878.75. Okay? And now we can go ahead and proceed to enter all of these values into my accounts here. So starting with the checking account, okay, right, we sold, we had in-store sales, so therefore we increased our money. Okay, let's see, we increased our money from in-store sales, right? We are on General Journal page 12, and we increased it by $18.78 and 75 cents. Okay. So that should give me a new grand total in my checking account to be $2,285.23. Okay. So then we had a sales discount. So we got to go to our revenues here to collect the sales discount. Right? Why did we have a sales discount? Because we still have grand opening sales, right? General Journal 11 here, or General Journal 12. So remember, usually a grand opening will last a whole week. Now, in this case, my coffee shop, right? It operates 7 days a week, right? You're always going to have coffee all the time, okay? So in this case, we do it for 7 days a week. So right now, we've only issued 2, 4, 6 discounts so far, okay? And the amount of discount that we have issued was $433.89, which gave us a grand total of discounted amounts to be $1424.37. Okay. So now we got to go down the line and update our sales here. So here, medium regular coffee. Okay. How many cups did I sell? Okay. I sold 236 cups. Okay. Which gave me a grand total of $469.64. Okay. And that gave me a grand total of $1309.42. Okay. Then we had sales for our large regular coffee. Okay, let's see how many cups we sold. Okay, we sold 179 cups. Okay. Which gave us a total of $535.21. Okay. gave us a grand total of the 1805.96. Okay. Let's see. We also sold some medium supreme coffee. Okay, we sold 228 cups. Okay, for a grand total of $567.72. Okay, which gave us a grand total of $1660.83. Okay. All right, last of the coffee cups. Okay, we sold 151 cups of the large supreme coffee. Okay, General 12, which we sold a total of $526.99. $526.99. Okay, which gave me a grand total of $2,058.10. Okay. I gotta go back up because I sold some ceramic coffee mugs, right? I sold 10 coffee mugs, okay, for $69.90, okay? And that gave me a grand total of selling all my coffee mugs to be, my ending balance is $536.09. Okay. And last but not least, I also collected sales tax, so I gotta go to my liabilities because I'm collecting this money for the state and local government. Okay, here we go. Okay, in this case, I charged sales tax because I had in-store sales. Okay, and that gave me a total of $143.18 for my sales tax. Okay, which gave me a grand total that I've collected so far to be $470.04. Okay. I now need to update my inventory, okay, because I already deposited the money. So in this case, for this day, I end up using 38 pounds of my regular coffee and 34 and a half pounds of my supreme coffee. So 38 pounds and 34 and a half pounds of supreme. So go to your inventory worksheet. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Inventory worksheet. We go to regular coffee because how many pounds did I use? I end up using 38 pounds. Okay? And right now, my average cost per item is $1.61,532. So that should give me a total of $61.38 that I used. Okay? So let's update my inventory because I no longer have 149 pounds anymore because I end up using 38 of them. So I should be left with 111 and a half. Okay? And I'm also going to subtract my $61 to give me a total of $180.11. So in this case, my cost per item has increased by 1/1000 of a penny. Okay, so I'm at $180.11. and 11 and a half pounds at $180.11. And I used up $61.38. Okay. Moving on to my Supreme. Okay. Let's see. How many pounds did I use? I used 34 and a half. Okay. 34 and a half. Okay. Now let's take a look at my inventory balances. I have one for 32 and a half. So I have to split my inventories because I don't have enough from this batch of inventory, right? Once I get rid of it, I still have to keep taking more out. So in this case, 32 and a half is what I can take from here. Okay? So 32 and a half. Okay? I need 2 more pounds to reach my end goal of 34 and a half. Okay? And I'm going to separate this so you know that this is a calculated amount. Okay? Because I need to know what my grand total is for 34 and a half pounds. Now, in this case, I know for a fact that this one's going to be giving me a grand total of $59.41. Okay? Because I'm getting rid of all of it. So that should be $59.41. Okay? So that means I can get rid of the whole thing. Right? And in this case, now I need to sell 2 more pounds. In this case, I can dip into my third batch of inventory because that's all I have left, right? It's the only batch I have available. So in this case, it's going to cost me $1.84 per pound. Okay, so 2 times $1.84 is going to give me $3.68. Okay, so let's add up these totals. Okay, so that means in grand total for using 34 and a half pounds, it cost me $63.09. Okay, so then I need to update my inventory because I don't have 125 pounds anymore. I only have 123 pounds. Okay, so this is what, 230. So in this case, 125 minus 2 gives me 123, which gives me 22632. Is that correct? Right? If I started out with $230 minus the $3.68, I should be left with $226.32. Yes, so that's correct. So in this case, I have left in my Supreme coffee should be $226.32, and I used up a total of $63.09. So $63.09 for Supreme and $61.38. So $63.09 and $61.38. Right? Okay. So then now, last thing I got to do is now I got to update my inventory to match my worksheet too. Okay, or yeah, to match my worksheet too. Starting with the cost of goods sold, right? I end up using 38 pounds for 61.38, okay, which yield me a total of $424.64. Okay, that's how much it cost me in grand total. And then I also used 31 and a half pounds which gave me 6309. Okay, which gave me a grand total of $457.18 that it cost me. So now I need to update my inventory. Okay, starting with my regular coffee. Okay. Okay. I used 38 pounds, which cost me 61.38. Okay, so that should leave me with 180.11 cents. So is that correct? That is what I have in my inventory worksheet. Yes, 180.11 cents. See, so good. It matches. Okay. And then last but not least, I need to update my Supreme coffee, right? Because I end up using 34.5 pounds, okay, which cost me 6309. So that means that should leave me with only $226.32 in my inventory. And is that correct? 22632 is correct. Okay. And that concludes today's lesson because we are now officially done with this day. So when we come back tomorrow, we will start a new day, Sunday, June 23rd. Okay? All right. So, right, if there are no questions,